Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial of visualization in Excel. In this tutorial, we'll see how to create a different type of visualization in Excel. We'll see what are the various places or various tools that are available to you in Excel to create different kind of visualization. Also, we'll see how Excel kind of can help you to select the right kind of visualization for the data that you are having. So let's open the Excel file that we have. Okay, so this is Excel file that we are having. This is the Chicago Prime data that happened in the year of 2015. Okay, and this has got all the details. So we have around 25 attributes of the crimes that happened in the city of Chicago in 2015, and this data dictionary tab is having the definition of each of these attributes. So from here, if we need to create a very appealing data visualization, or how we can do it. So the first step to do it is to get the data is in the form of pivot. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll try to create a pivot out of this entire data set. Okay, I'll do an insert. Okay, and I will insert pivot table. Okay, so insert a pivot table. Now once you create a pivot table over here in the new worksheet. Okay, now over here, if you just say you have primary prime type, and you have the count. So what I'm doing is that I'm just pulling the data from primary type into the rows and the count into values. Okay, now if I sort it, I am right clicking over here and I'm sorting the data, sort from largest to smallest. Now this is this data in the tabular format, right? And if you want to create a kind of a visual out of it, then you'll have to create a visualization of it. So how will you create the data visualization? So now over here, if you come here, or if you come into the insert, you have this particular section I'm talking about. This deals with charts. So here you can see chart. Okay, so this is the one where you have the options for creating a lot of charts. What kind of charts you have? So you have bar or column chart. Okay, you have insert lines or area chart. You have pie and donut chart. You have tree or hierarchy chart. You have histogram or statistic chart. Histogram is under statistics, so statistics chart. This is a scatter plot. This is a chart that you have for scatter plot. This is for waterfall diagram. This is for waterfall diagram, and this is again a bar plot. Okay, a stack bar plot. This is scatter plot. This is waterfall, funnel, stock, surface, or rated chart, and this combo chart. So it's stack bar or the trend line or combination of both.